How can you create a large amount of viral short-form content without any skills and do that without showing your face? Let's find out. You can see these channels getting millions of views by creating these short videos that require very little effort. In return, these short-form videos grow your business exponentially and make you a tremendous amount of money. With little to no effort, anyone can create dozens of these videos in just a few minutes, and you have an entire month of content to post on your social media. For this, we'll choose a combination of two artificial intelligence tools. The first one is Bing Chat AI, and the second one is Canva. We'll use the first one to generate endless viral content ideas and scripts for our videos, and the second one to bulk create and edit our content in a matter of minutes. First, go to Google and search for Bing Chat AI. This is the best tool to access all the powers of ChatGPT Plus without having to pay any subscription fee. Click on the more creative option to get the best results from this AI. You can use this template to generate an entire month of content ideas that have a high chance of going viral. For example, give me 30 quotes for my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts for my channel based on business motivation niche that have a good potential of going viral. Make sure they're unique and not overused so my content stands out from the crowd. Now Bing Chat will start giving you written content for an entire month. Make sure you create a spreadsheet to store all the content so you don't lose track. You can use this format to create videos with quotes, facts, quizzes, or anything which doesn't require you to show your face. Now that you have your video ideas and scripts ready in just a few seconds, the next step is to create some engaging short-form videos. Simply head over to canva.com in your browser, search for Instagram Reels and click on Create a Blank Reel. To make things even easier, you can choose from this endless collection of templates. Just copy and paste the content that Bing Chat gave you. You can animate the text however you want, adjust everything so it looks good. Let's add a black rectangle here so the text becomes more readable. Now simply reduce the transparency. You can right-click on any element and click Show Timing to adjust when a particular element appears in the video. Let's move the text a little further and make the black rectangle appear when the text animation starts. The idea here is to keep things moving because a static video will harm the retention rate of your audience. Make sure you preview the video to see how it looks in action. Now to easily create multiple videos in bulk, simply right-click on the first video and click on Duplicate Page. This will create an exact copy of the video you just created. Just search for a different background video that matches your content. Right-click on the video and tap on Replace Background. Now just edit the video text and repeat the process so you have enough content for an entire month. When downloading the video, make sure you check this box that says Download pages as different files so each video downloads separately to be used on different dates. This way, you'll be able to create endless content without much effort to grow your online presence. There are channels with huge audiences that are posting an insane number of these faceless videos to make money online. Here are a few tips to do this even more efficiently. I recommend you create different formats of short-form videos. For example, you can create 3 to 4 templates on Canva. Mix and match them so your audience doesn't get bored of seeing the same type of video over and over again. Keep changing those 3-4 templates you created every 2 to 3 months in order to keep it interesting and your audience engaged. Combine these short-form videos with music that is trending and you're good to go. Follow other pages and channels in similar niches and see the new templates they're using to get inspiration and keep your content updated. You can also pick a post that has worked great for your competitor and recreate it in a way that's even better. Doing this will 10x your chances of going viral across all social media platforms. Avoid buying followers or doing anything spammy for quick growth. It will take around 3 to 4 months before you start seeing some real results. Since this doesn't require much effort, all you need to do is to be consistent and have patience. After doing all the things mentioned in the video, if you're still not getting views, it might be one of the following things. Your niche is way too competitive or has too many people making the same kind of videos. Your templates are not engaging enough. Try animating the elements in a way that catches the eye of the viewer. You have copied the exact style and theme of another page. In this case, the algorithm will prefer to give your competitor more reach. The color or elements being used in the video are dull. Videos with bright colors and moving elements tend to perform better. Even though it takes 3 to 4 months to start seeing good results, remember that it takes around a year on average for most channels to get consistent views on videos. Since it's a passive income source, all you have to do is to be patient and work on it consistently so your hard work doesn't go in vain. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.